One of the main concerns people have while evaluating CRM options is adaptability. Will I have to change my existing processes to adjust to the CRM? Or will my current workflows be disrupted if I make the switch? I have certain tools that I use in my business. Will the CRM be able to integrate with them? Now, these are very valid questions. At TeleCRM, we have the answer to all of them. Hello folks, I'm Zed, and in this video, I'll tell you how TeleCRM ensures that your business processes work exactly the way they did before and better, so you won't have to change the way you work. Let's start. Starting with custom lead integration. I'm pretty sure you have multiple platforms and portals from where you generate leads. TeleCRM integrates with all of them. It provides native integrations for the most commonly used platforms like Just Dial, IndiaMart, your website, Meta Ads, Google Sheets, and more. And if there is a software that's integral to how you operate your business, TeleCRM will integrate it via custom APIs and webhooks. So no matter where your data is coming from or going to, TeleCRM will automatically capture it and store it in one place. Second, lead fields. Every business records lead information differently. A real estate company might need to know the property type, budget, and location preference. On the other hand, an edtech company would be more interested in knowing the course of interest and the student's academic background, and so on and so forth. So if you have an Excel sheet with multiple columns and rows of data and unique data fields, with TeleCRM, you can create custom fields to capture exactly the information your business needs. Nothing more, nothing less. You can also choose from multiple formats to ensure that your data is accurately recorded and structured exactly the way you are used to working. Third, custom sales pipelines. Your sales process is unique to your business. The stages your leads go through, the actions your team take at each step, these are things you have built over time. With TeleCRM, you can recreate your exact sales pipeline inside the CRM. Define your own stages, name them the way you want to, and map them out to how your team actually functions. So instead of forcing them into a new system, they're already working in a system that feels familiar. And the best part is, working around sales pipelines in TeleCRM is even easier than Excel sheets. All you have to do is open the lead page and change the status from the options you've defined. Plus, you also get sales pipeline analytics at the click of a button. Fourth, workflows, schedules, and sales forms. Automations in TeleCRM is a completely customizable solution. You decide the events, you decide the conditions for the automations to work, and the desired triggered actions. Each flow is customizable to match your specific use case. And once you set it up, the processes that took you manual effort are now carried out on automation. Fifth, custom reports and dashboards. Every business tracks unique metrics. And with TeleCRM, you are not limited to a fixed set of reports because TeleCRM generates reports based on the custom fields you have defined. So you can track anything that matters to your business: lead conversion rate, sales reps performance, lead source performance. If you've defined it as a field in TeleCRM, you can generate a report on it. Plus, you can also create custom dashboards in TeleCRM to look at important metrics at a glance. If you want to know more about custom reports and dashboards, you can look at the video here. So whether you're switching from managing leads on Excel sheets or from another CRM, TeleCRM is built to handle the way you do your business. And if you'd like to see how it works for your specific business, all you have to do is go to the links in the description, book a free demo, and our team will walk you through it. Until next time, bye-bye.